the bottle of disinfectant spray, babysitter used contains chlorhexidine. This patient is still at risk of which of the following infection, which of the following pathogens? Okay, the question is, everything is here. We don't need to read the whole question. Okay, what despite receiving chlorhexidine disinfectant spray, what infection can grow? Okay, it means which of the following infection, which of the following pathogen is resistance against chlorhexidine spray? I mean chlorhexidine antiseptic disinfectant. Okay, I will quickly read this one. 9-year-old physician by his 19-year-old cousin who is boy's babysitter. The boy fell off his bike on a dirt and injured his hands and knees during the fall. Babysitter explains she cleaned his wounds thoroughly with disinfectant spray she found in first aid kit before bringing him to the office for further medical attention. She does not know whether he's receiving age-appropriate vaccinations. Physical examination shows abrasions on both palms and knees, as well as trace cellulose laceration on the left palm. The cousin extremely worried that she did not do enough to clean the wound and ask if he's still at risk of infection. Okay, the bottle has chlorhexidine, the disinfectant bottle. Okay, the patient is still at risk of which of the following pathogen, despite receiving the antiseptic chlorhexidine. Chlorhexidine cannot destroy the spore-forming bacteria. Okay, anyone tell me the spore-forming bacteria? There's only two types of bacteria, two genus of bacteria, Clostridial bacteria and also Bacillus. Yeah, Bacillus anthracis, which causes anthrax, Bacillus cereus, which causes food poisoning, and Clostridium tetani, which causes tetanus, Clostridium perfringens, which causes gastroenteritis and gas gangrene, and Clostridium difficile, which causes also colitis. And there's one Clostridium. Okay, there's 4 Clostridium and 2 Bacillus type. They have a spore. They make spore during in bad situation, in bad environmental condition, and they cannot be destroyed by the chlorhexidine. But they can be destroyed by high pressure steam or heat or halogens, like those antiseptic or disinfectant that contain halogen. For example, they contain iodine or chlorine, except chlorhexidine, and yeah, hydrogen peroxide can also, I think, hydrogen peroxide can also destroy the spore-forming bacteria. Okay, again, as a recap, there are some certains of bacteria that create spore, Clostridial genus and also Bacillus genus, like Bacillus anthracis, Bacillus cereus, Clostridium tetani, botulinum, Clostridium perfringens, difficile. They create spore. They are resistant against some form of disinfectants, antiseptics. What are those? You know, for example, against chlorhexidine, against it's resistant against chlorhexidine, and there is 2 other that I forgot it. And but there are some distinct type of disinfectants or antiseptic that destroy these spore-forming bacteria. What are those? It's hydrogen peroxide, halogen-containing disinfectants, for example, iodo-4, or those contain iodine and chlor, and also heat, high level of heat, high level of temperature, and also steam. High level of steam can destroy these spore-forming bacteria. Okay, among these, the only option is Clostridium tetani, that is resistance against chlorhexidine. Okay, the remainder is this can be destroyed by any form of disinfectant, including chlorhexidine.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.